Alright, we finally made it to Friday, and there's some new things happening. In the store, we got a lot of new cards, a lot of 95s, a lot of 94s. I guess that's like upgrade from franchise, master items, so that's pretty cool. And then we got the gold collectibles, trade 200 gold players for 5. Which will be very useful for the Connor McDavid set. So let's unopen some packs and see what we could do here. Random set required. Got the John Gibson. We need that for the, I think that's for the Connor McDavid, I'm not sure. Let's get some Connor McDavid set required items. Ooh, and I think we need that jersey too. That's huge. That's a big pull, boys. Big pull. Mini pack. Let's see what we got here. We got a Pittsburgh Penguins jersey. Two gold players pack. Get an NHL player. Not bad, not bad. That's all we want. Give us NHL players. NHL. Okay, that one was bad. 3 gold players pack. That one's bad, but it's alright. As long as they're gold, they'll go towards that 5 player golds. I mean, 5 gold collectibles, the 200 player thing right there. Let's just do this, because I don't think we're going to get anything good. And it's basically like what I said, nothing good. Prime pack. Carter Hart, interesting. Let's see what we got. Carter Hart, Andre Burakovsky, we got Kerfoot. Lindholm. Okay. Hopefully some of those players we need. Premium 1 gold player pack. Hopefully it's someone we don't have. Genny Kuznetsov. Huh. Interesting. I don't think he's gonna help with anything except be part of that 200 gold players. Got some players that we probably needed for the set. 4 gold players pack. All NHL. All NHL. All NHL. Already fucked up. We do need that card though. Get the William Karlsson for the big 98 set for Taves. Premium gold player pack. Get some decent cards. Hopefully they can go towards the set. Open up this premium pack. Get some coins and 2 gold players. It's pretty bad. Let's open up this premium. Yeah, St. Louis Blues away jersey. We want that logo low key. If we get that logo, that'd be fire. That's towards the Connor McDavid set. Get a goalie, and yeah, pretty good solid pull there for gold players. 2 gold player pack. See what we get. Jacob Trouba, which we need. That guy could go towards that 200 player set. Mini players pack. See what we get. Get some gold players, not bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. NHL moments, random set item required. Let's get that St. Louis Blues. We got Philip Roenick. Ew. Premium pack. special there. Some gold players. Premium 3 gold player pack. Alright, cool. We get Scott Lawton as our premium gold player. Premium 4 gold player pack. So we get 280 or over. Get Brandon Saad and Ilya Samsonov. Oh, and Anthony Duclair. Solid premium 4 player gold pack right there. Not gonna lie. Prime pack, untradeable. We'll open that one. We get team of the week, Cody. What? I don't even know how to say his name. Might be a, could be a synergy plug. Most likely not. Probably gonna get scrapped. Nothing too special there. Let's hope for the St. Louis Blues logo here. Oh, Adam Henrique. Wonder if it's just only NHL players, not like logos or some shit. Open up this 2-player pack. We will take any kind of gold player low key. So, open up this mini pack, hoping for gold players like last time. And we get absolute fucking shit-faced in that one. That was terrible. Mini what? I forgot what is that. Random set. We got the Patty Kane. We got one already. Interesting. Open up these base packs that we see here. Rasmus Kupari. We got a gold player. I got a few. Alright, solid. Tradable premium pack there. Whoa, we pulled the 86 Killian Motet. Our first purple of the day. Let's see what he has here. He got Barrage and Gladiator. Definitely not better than my 85, cover boy Connor McDavid, so I'm probably not going to use this card. But interesting pull. We finally pull something that's purple, right? So we're just going to open up these gold players. More gold players, I think I was watching someone else's pack opening video and they were pulling all of the European stuff. Interesting. Hopefully you could pull something cool. So let's pull all our untradeable stuff first. Got this jumbo premium pack. Let's get through all of it. Looks like we got an NHL player, Clayton Keller, St. Louis Blues logo. Nope. That's what we're looking for, boys. St. Louis Blues logo. That'd be a bang, as you guys call it. We got another NHL player. Rasmus Ristolainen. Nothing special there. Let's open up this premium players pack. Untradeable. Nothing special here. Get the Ryan Suter though. Solid pull. We need that for the set. Pretty sure. For that, 98 overall set. Robin Lehner again. Wow. So we got all these players. Okay. Solid, I guess. And now let's open up this NHL Players Choice Pack. They're all untradeable. So we're obviously going to just pick the ones that we need. So Oh, we can only pick 2. Thought it was 3. That's unfortunate. I feel like we'll get that Ryan Murray easier. Different. It's Fabro and I guess Andrew Shaw. Round 3. Let's pick Jensen and Hagelin. Okay. Both on the same team. Kendall Clark, Duran, Voracek. We'll pick Voracek and Jonathan Duran. Some decent pulls there, you know. Didn't get any duplicates, so I'll take it. I'll take it for the collection. And for the finale, let's pull something that we could sell. I thought my MSP pull was great, but honestly, we got nothing here basically. That's unfortunate. I guess we'll just take what we get. But it doesn't sell because it's right-handed. I might as well just use him as, like, I don't know, on the right wing, I guess. We get Team of the Week, Jan Urbis here. I don't know, might be a synergy plug for someone. We get a John Tavares. Interesting pull, interesting pull. Open up this last Premiums player pack. Let's see what we get here. Nope, nothing special. Get Chris Kreider and Seth Jones. We'll just take it for the collection. Alright, Mega Pack. Let's get the St. Louis Blues logo. That's all I want. St. Louis Blues logo. Doesn't have to be anything serious. And we pull the European, like I said earlier. Everyone's been pulling these European cards like crazy. 1 to Balance, 1 to Howitzer. Has a good shot, I guess. I don't know. It's not that great, to be honest. Definitely gonna sell that. See if we pull the St. Louis Blues logo. We got Team of the Week, Justin Barron. Nothing too special. Nothing too special there. Let's open up our second Mega Pack. Nothing special in this one. Some NHL players I could go in the set again. So this one we're not gonna skip it. We're gonna just go through it and hope for the best. A duplicate, Nick Schmaltz. I already have that card. Bronze. It's not a goalie, so it's not really valuable. And basically, that's all we pull. We pull a European player. Hopefully, he sells for, I don't know, like 30K. But that is it. If you're wondering why I keep that there, maybe in the future for like a set, you know, maybe next week, that you know, it needs a number one, so I'll just keep that there until, you know, we can actually use it. Let's check out these sets. We got Tobias Enstrom. 2 to Balance, 2 to Howitzer. Interesting. Has a really good shot. Its hands is good enough. Body checking maybe needs a little bit more. So if you activate that one team synergy, I don't know if it's like Spark or something. His checking is good. The speed is good enough. Be 95 speed. Solid card, I guess, but it's small. You got the Drew Doughty, 2 to Swarm, 2 to Gladiator. So if you need Swarm activated, this is a pretty good card. Everything you need, basically. So, even though I know no sleeves does not like that. Saku Koivu, if you have the Saku Koivu from before, now he has 2 to Spark, 2 to Speedster. I like what they did. They just upgraded these cards. I really like that, actually. Body checking, 97, which is needed for 5'10". Basically perfect checking. Really good card. Then you got the Jerome McGinley, 2 distributor wingman. There's definitely a better card that's out there with the 98 overall set. Got Martin Brodeur if you're just trying to, obviously get those sets done. The 94. Is there a 95 Martin? So yeah, there's the 95. And let's see what else. What other 90s did they bring in? Nothing special. So that is it, boys. That's what I pulled this week. Wasn't expecting much, to be honest, after we pulled the Bobby Ryan MSP. But he's kind of not really that special anyways if I can't sell him. So GG's, man. Peace.